The output element can be used to display the result of a calculation or the outcome of a user action. As an example, our Submit Article form includes a text area element that users can fill in to describe their article. We have set the maximum number of characters to be 250 by specifying the max length attribute. The output element can be used to display how many characters the user has left. The output tag simply takes a name attribute that is used to identify the element. We'll call it char_remain, characters remaining. The value between the opening and closing tags will be the initial value. To get the output to update, JavaScript is required. Again, neither this course nor the MTA exam cover the use of JavaScript, but this is just a simple example. First, we need to add an event to the form tag on input. This will be triggered when the user inputs text. The action that will be performed is to set the value of char_remain, which is the name of our output element, remember, to equal 250 minus the number of characters input into the box. The input box is a text area element that we have given the ID article_details. So we'll get its value and then the length of that value. Let's have a look at that in action. The initial value has been set to 250 left, but as we type in the box, the number of characters reduces.